crack it open and just fly with it. Again. And I'm only in 4th gear. Oh my god. Hello guys, welcome back to 2020. This is my first motovlog this year, and you might be wondering, what are you doing on the Aprilia again? I thought you sold it. Well, I did. It has been sold, but it's a funny story. It ended up coming back to me, not purchasing wise. I didn't purchase it, didn't buy it back. What happened was that the person I sold this bike to decided to sell it again only after I think about 8 months of ownership. And what happened was when he tried to sell it, I think he really struggled to get it started. So basically he managed to flood the bike completely, drenched it with petrol. It was beyond the general fixing of a flooded bike. Had to be stripped out, spark plugs and everything. And basically, long story short, the new owner contacted me and he asked me if I can help or not. I agreed, why not? Fellow biker, why not help out? So he ended up dropping the bike off at my place on a trailer, and then I did basically I did a quick service for him as well. Swapped the brake pads, swapped the spark plugs out, and basically get it running again. And also I adjusted a little bit the injectors, so it's not that rich. My plans for 2020, it will involve obviously the Virago. I will have some tutorials coming up, including carburetor setup, valve clearance setup, and I am going to change the rocker shafts in the cylinder heads, because when I stripped the engine last year to relap the valves, if you watch my previous video just over there, then I talk about it, what happened. The previous owner didn't adjust the valve clearance, caused the valve seats to not burn, but it started leaking, had to be done. So basically that's gonna happen. Carburetor, valve clearance, rocker shaft changes, going to some bike meetings this year, and I'm gonna do some vloggings, going around showing you guys pubs, places I like in the Peak District, which I'm on the outskirts at the moment. As you can see, lovely scenery. There will be some tutorials coming up about this puppy, this baby, including how to change spark plug, how to get it sorted after flooding, how to change the oil, a complete tutorial on that as well. And that's about it about this bike, and a little vlog for you guys today. It's not too bad, the weather. I think it's about 9 degrees Celsius. I don't know how much in Fahrenheit, sorry guys, in America. I am going to try to upload videos every 2 weeks now, every Sunday. Feel free to share all of the videos I upload anywhere you like, with your friends, your biker friends, even if not a biker friend. Check them all out. I think they are very useful. Some of them just general. Oh yeah, one thing. So what I'm gonna do is do some basic videos, which will come out in the next few weeks as well. Every Sunday, every 2 weeks, I will try to make the videos. I can't do every week because it doesn't fit into my lifestyle at the moment. But I have good plans this year. I think you are going to enjoy the content I'm gonna make. We'll see. Let me know in the comments down below if there is anything specifically you're interested to see me doing, including could be I don't know basically whatever. Really, let me know what would be the most interested topic to do. That could be fixing a bike, going somewhere, talk about something like buying guide, MOT preparations, what I do. Even I could maybe inquire the shop I'm taking my bike to MOT. I can inquire if I can record the actual MOT. Please let me know down in the comments below if that would be something to interest out there. People would like to see how is that happening. A few bikes out there, a few bikes here. I'm gonna come here as well a few times. Actually, this is the place I'm using for MOT for the Virago, so I will ask them if I can record it or not. Okay, let's jump back on the bike and go for a little more ride. Probably I will have some chance to ride a few of my buddy's bike, and I will make a short review about them as well. And also I think one of my friends is gonna drop his bike off to have some work on it. It's a 83 Sportster, and I am going to try to record everything I do on that as well. Thank you guys for watching and staying with me. I hope this video wasn't too long or boring. I hope you liked it. Smash that like button if you're into that one. And yeah guys, I will see you in the next video. Hopefully another vlog or a bike meeting or some tutorials. Check out my other videos. I'm gonna put some up on the cards. You can find them over there, or just browse through my channel. And I really appreciate your time what you're spending here watching my great videos. Yeah, just stop in front of an intersection. Is that serious? So I can't see if somebody's coming out from there. Thank you. Very, very clever. Oh my god. And let's see. Ooh, 508. Not so bad. Why is she doing 80 miles an hour uphill? What is wrong with her?